Okay, with this video, we're going to add windows to the kitchen addition. All right, so let's go to Google SketchUp. Okay. So you see here, I've decided that is to use double hung windows, and I've searched for Anderson double hung windows, okay? And these are my options, okay? However, if I just change my search to double hung windows, it gives me more options in terms of color and style. Okay. Cool. So if I change my search to a different type of window, let's say casement, okay, gives me casement windows, okay, various colors and styles. Okay. And I'm going to change my search now to, let's change it to sliding window. Okay. Again, I have options here in terms of color and style, sliding windows, plenty of them. Okay, I'm going to go back here and I'm going to search again for Anderson double hung window. Oops. Yeah. Good. So it brings me back to here. I know in my addition, okay, I have a double window here and a single window here. So I like these options down here. So here's my double that I could place here. And then let me just do this. Here's my double that I could place here. Okay. And then my single that I can place here. All right. So I'm going to choose this one as my single one right here. Choose this one. Okay. Just place it here temporarily. I'm going to zoom in. Okay. Now, as I orbit around this window, okay, all right. When you're placing double hung windows, you got to make sure that you're placing them correctly in terms of what side should be external and which side should be internal, okay? This would be the inside of the window. And you see the sash here, okay? This sash, which is the operable part of a window, should be down, right? Yeah, should be in this location, that is, this location, internally, all right? So now if I orbit back around, okay, all right, so this is the outside of the window, and this is the casing that will go next to my exterior finish, okay? So outside of window in this case, okay, inside of window, all right? Good. So now what I want to do then, okay, I want to rotate this window, right? I want to rotate it. So I use rotate tool and I'm trying to get to the top here. Let's see. I think I'm right here. Good. So now I want to get it on axis. So on axis first. There we go, on axis. Click it. Then I want to, no, actually, is it in the right location? Let me zoom out. Okay, no, okay. Okay, let's get it. Okay, it's on green axis. Now I click it. Oops. No, I did it already. Okay, I rotated it around. Okay, so that's how you're going to do it. All right, so now I should be able to, here's how I'm gonna move it. Good. Is that the right, yep, right orientation. Outside, outside, okay, good. So now I'm gonna go move command. And I want to be selective as to how I move it. So I want to come right in here, right? Because this is going to be the inside. So I'm going to come right in here. This, I'm going to take it and I'm going to move it right to this corner right there. Good. All right. Escape out of that. Yep. And when I look at it in this orientation, I see that it is against the wall, and that's what I want it to be. All right. But now the window is too large for my opening. So what I'm going to do is I do a zoom extents. Okay. See where I can scale it. Okay, I'm coming around I'm coming around to the outside of the window. Okay. I'm just going to use scale 2 right here. Okay. I'm going to select the window here. Good. Now, you know, if you watch the scale video, you understand these boxes here, right? So I want to make the window wider, so I'm going to choose this center scale point right here. Okay, and that should be it for that. Okay. And then I need to make it shorter. Let me make sure let me skip out of that. Okay, let me control Z out of that. Good. Make sure I get the right box here. Okay, I want, oh, I may have it already. Let's see. No, I don't, of course not. Okay. This is the one that I want. Bring it down, bring it down. Okay. Escape out of this. Looks pretty good. I think it's too much into the wall over here, but let's orbit around and see how it looks from the inside. Okay. Not too bad from the inside, not too bad. That looks good there. Okay. I seem to have a little problem right here, space there. Let's see if I can go to the outside and scale that in. Let's do zoom extents. Okay. All right. And I'm seeing a little bit of wall. No, that's fine. That's good. So let's go back to the select. I'm going to select it here and go back to the scale tool. Okay. Let's see if I can get that center one. Okay. Or even though I can't see it, I think this should be the center one here. Just want to move it a little bit. This direction. Let's escape out of this. Okay, let's do some extents. Let's orbit around. Let's orbit around. Let's look at the inside. Just a little bit more there. A little bit more there, but that I don't think I'm going to bother with that. I don't think that's a big issue right there. Now, let's try it again. You know, we got to be a perfectionist, I guess. Let's see. Let's just select it. Let's do it again. Okay, let's go scale 2. Okay, let's get that center box. Yeah, right there. Even though I can't see it, okay, right there. Okay. Yeah, I moved it just a tad. All right. So let's escape out of that. So I'll get back around. Okay, to zoom extent. Look at that corner. Okay, perfection, perfection. All right, so the window above the sink is installed, and you saw how I used the scale tool to scale it down to my actual rough opening size. All right, so you know what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna save my drawing. All right, so let's save this drawing. Good. So let's see if we can get this double window in. Right. Okay, good. So let's go back to the warehouse. Okay, here's the Anderson double one that I want to use. I'm keeping it all in the same family. Okay, all right. So I see that I still see that I need to rotate it. Okay, so go back to the rotation tool. Okay, try to get to the top, which I think I am right there. Okay. Okay, before I click, I'm gonna get it on axis here. Okay, I think that's on axis. Okay, rotate it around right here. Okay, trying to get the axis. I think that's it right there. Okay. Good. All right. So same scenario. I'm going to move it, but I'm going to come down here. I'm going to zero in. Okay. Move command. And I'm choose this point right here. Okay. Zoom out. Come over here. Oh no, no, my rotation is not right. Okay, so let's put it back over here. And let's control Z back to where I was. I didn't want to go that far, but that's okay. I'll go back to the warehouse. Choose it again. Okay, put it out here. Okay, let's see if I can get that rotation right now. Okay. Okay, so rotation tool. Let's try to center the window. Let's see if that'll work better. See if I can do the center. I'll put it around so I can see it. Oh, let's try the top. Let's see if I have it now. Okay. On axis. And I'm going to rotate it like this, zoom out a little bit. There it is. Now it's on green axis. Okay, let's try it again. Now let's go to move it. Yep. Let's select it for moving. Already selected. Come back in here. Okay. There. Zoom around here. The zoom extents. Good. Good. Come around here. Okay. Because this is what I want to be right there. Good. Let me orbit around here to make sure, yep, it's against the wall. That's what I want. Okay, now I have to scale it down again. All right, so I'm gonna try it from this perspective again. Okay. Okay. I want that center scale point right there. Pull it over, put it over. I think that might be good. All right. So now I'm gonna scroll down to the I can pull it a little bit more, just a tad more. And I'll have perfection again. Okay. I want the center. That's the one I want right there. I think that's the one I want. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, that should do it. All right. So now we're gonna go over here. And I need the center one, not this one, but the center one. That one right here. That one right here. Pull it down, pull it down, pull it down, pull it. Good. All right, let's escape out of that. Okay, let's see how it looks. That's perfection right there. Zoom extension. Okay. Let's look at this corner over here. Perfection on that side. I'm not worried about the top too much because it looks good from the outside. Okay. Good. So now I've added my 2 windows in my kitchen. Okay, next I'm going to add the door. At the next video.